Hi y'all, in this video we are talking about the fundamental counting principle. The fundamental counting principle says the number of ways in which a series of successive items can occur can be found by multiplying the number of ways in which each thing can occur. So if I want to find out how many ways I can do something, for this one we could just multiply our numbers together. So if I look at my first example, it says the Greasy Spoon restaurant offers 6 appetizers and 14 main courses. And how many ways can you order your 2-course meal? So the first thing we have to figure out is, okay, how many choices do I have to make? Well, I have to choose an appetizer and a main course. So I have 2 choices, which is why I have 2 boxes here. And then you want to put in how many options you have for each choice. So for the first one, my number of appetizers, we have 6 appetizers. So I'm going to put 6 here. For the number of main courses, we have 14, so I'm going to put 14 here. And then we're just going to multiply those numbers together. So 6 times 14. When I do that, I get 84. And that's the total number of 2-course meals I could order based on these restrictions. All right, that was a quick, short video. That's all I have for this one, but go ahead and check out the next slide and your next video. As always, thanks for watching.